Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio Graphic channel. For today I will show you how to create the USA flag. For that project I create some parameters that I can change the size and the project remains proportional. I change here some measurements. For that project I created the drawing, the file of that project, the STL file of the fusion and the drawings. You can help the channel purchasing on my Gumroad page, or you can have access for all this content on my Patreon membership. You can download all my files and drawings, including my ebook. That's a way you can help the channel and that I can continue create content for the YouTube. Let's create a new design. In that design I have already the formulas here. You can pause the video now and create that formulas. It's simple, you just click on the plus button, write the name, here the expression, and click OK. Will appear here a list of formulas that I will use here on the project. Create a new sketch. Start to create a rectangle, this one. This height is the A flag parameter and the width is the B flag parameter, and click OK. Create another rectangle. In this case is the C canton parameter and D canton parameter. Click OK. Now I will create here the stars. To create the stars, click here on polygon, a polygon with 5 points, and click enter. Create a constraint of horizontal. Now create the lines, connect them in that way to create the star here and here. That lines needs to be a construction lines, change for construction, and with the trim cut here on the inside. Now I have the star. To apply the distance of that line, and that line is the key star parameter. And now I have to apply the distance of the borders. On that way is the E star, and click OK. And the horizontal distance is the G star. Now we have our first star created. I will repeat the process here, or click here on move and copy. Select the star, click here on copy and move the star. The distance of the border, you need to select the previous distance multiplied by 2. Repeat that process. The first distance multiplied by 2. Now we can repeat that process using the rectangular pattern. Select only the first star. We need to repeat the pattern on that way. Return here to the drawing. It's 6 stars on the horizontal and 5 stars on the vertical. The distance between the stars is 36. Return here to the profile. We need to change to spacing. Adjust the quantity. In that way is 6. In the other way is 5. The distance here is G star, multiply by 2, and here is the E star parameter multiplied by 2, and click OK. Now we have our first set of stars done. Repeat the process. Rectangular pattern. Select these stars, and we will repeat the process here. In that way is 4. The spacing is G star multiplied by 2. In that case is 5. We need one more here. And in that one is 4. The E parameter multiplied by 2. Click OK. Now we have all the stars created. And to finalize, we need to create the stripes. And that distance, click here, apply the parameter that is the L stripe, and click OK. In the flag we have 13 lines, 13 stripes. Repeat the rectangular pattern, select that line, this is 13, and the distance is L stripe. Change for spacing. In that case we can use 12, we are just creating the lines here that we need, and click OK. To finalize, create another line here. Click here to constrain, and repeat the process with the rectangular pattern. Select only that line. The distance is the L parameter. In that case is 5, and click OK. Now we have all the profiles that we need here. Finish the sketch. We need to start to extrude the project. Here on the top view, select all the stars, and apply a distance of 40 and create a new body. Click OK. Now we have all the bodies created here. Unhide the sketch. In that case, we can apply a color to be easier here on the beginning of the project. Select all the bodies, click here, and apply a color. Repeat the process. E for extrude, select the canton, the same height as a new body, change for new body, and click OK. Repeat the process, select only these stripes, 40, and new body, click OK. And the last stripes that we need for the project, click here, 40 millimeters, and click new body. And start to apply some colors. The blue is here, and apply all the colors that we need for the project. And the white stripes here. and close that tab. And now we have our project, and we can change the parameters here. And the project will be resized proportional. Return to the main measurement. Now we have our project. If you liked that project, you can help the channel purchasing that files on my Gumroad page that included all the drawings and the files that you need to create that design. Subscribe here for the channel, leave me a like button, and write in the comments what you wanna see here on the channel. Thank you so much, see you in the next video.